Hi everyone, welcome to Classy Chassis UK with me, Ryan. Hope you're all doing well. I'm at this end of the workshop only because there's another project car. It's been dumped here. It's going to be, well, it belongs to my dad. He's decided to take the plunge and get another classic. And it's going to be the father-son build, this one. But this is going to be my dad's. Don't worry, I'm still doing Norman. The welder's coming tomorrow to finish off the rest of the front end. So you'll see that in a minute in the video. But I'm really excited about this new project. I'm going to try and do them both at the same time, if that makes sense. It's going to be a bit hard, but we're going to try our best. While I've got the welder, who's not happy, by the way. He's seen this car and he's like, oh God, bit of a headache for him. But I've assured him it'll be fine. So, without further ado, Norman has got a cousin and his name is Trevor. That's what we're going to call him, Trevor. I may as well show you. So this is Trevor, the Triumph 2000 saloon car. And yeah, he's in a bit of a rough way, but nothing that hasn't gone past the restoration. He's going to need a few new panels, 2 wings, 2 sills, 2 inner sills. Going to replace all the 4 doors in the boot. Now, his engine does turn freely. I'm just charging the battery up, so I can plug the battery back in and test all the electrics like the lights, the horn. If it works, great. If it doesn't, then so be it. But what I'm going to do, the plan is, we're still going to carry on with Norman. We need to finish Norman. But in the meantime, while Norman's been doing and being repaired, I'm going to start collecting panels and parts for Trevor. So then we can just jump straight on him after we've done Norman. So I'll just give you a close-up of the interior, and then we'll see if this battery's charged up and we'll see if we can crank it over. So inside Trevor's cockpit, he is actually done, if you can see, 91,000 miles. Now for a 1974 car, it's not bad. It's got the original radio. Forgot to say he's automatic with a 3-speed gearbox. And the seats, they're dusty and mouldy, but they're really clean. The back seats are clean. Comes with some books and his passport, door cards. The wood veneer has started to peel, but the wood's in good condition. Just wants scraping back and then re-lacquering. The roof lining is perfect. So the inside is lovely. Got some spare wheel trims. But such a lovely retro dash with the wood and the 3 clocks. So there you go. That's that. Try and climb out. Like I say, there's no wear on there, so they'll come up really nice. Might as well look, see what the floor's like. Had a typical mice, but the floors are solid. So that's a bonus. So my welder will be happy. Bit of surface rust on the sill. But there you go. It's the little things like that. So it's gone. The sill has, which is a shame, really. It's only the back. It's still got plastic. So I can't wait to rebuild there. Even down to where Norman's rubbers on his back window have gone, this hasn't. The roof's good on him. So storing him in a barn, again, it's helped. You can just see the back lights are in good condition. It's just a shame, it's strange how this boot's just gone. But there's plenty of boots on the market. And then if we open, oh, you hear the rust. So I haven't delved deep into here, but looking underneath, the boot floor's fine. There's that much stuff in here. It just needs a good tidying up. Can't get to that. I don't want to start taking loads of stuff out because it's just putting it somewhere. So there you go. Right, let's get the battery on. Sadly, the battery didn't charge. It's totally gone. So I need to find a new battery for him. It's an opposite end, positive and negative classic car battery. So I can't exactly pick one up from Halfords or any of the other motor factors. I need to find a special one online. So until that comes, I can't do the tests. But you've seen him. Hopefully you'll enjoy that build. But moving on now, it's coming up to midnight. It's Friday night. Well, it's early Saturday morning now. The welder's coming at 7:30. So I need to get Norman in position, ready for the welder to come this morning and start finishing him off. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow, today. I'll catch you when the welder is here and we'll take some videos and I'll show you the progress. And hopefully by the end of this video, Norman will have a new front end all welded up, and then we can start the back and cut out that rot in the boot. So good night, and I'll see you in 2. So the wing's on now, it's been spot welded. It's had the new front panel on the headlight done, so all that's done. So this side of the car is virtually complete now. There's some little bits of seam sealing and painting, but it's good to go. So we can now move on and do the driver's side. So really just a small video just to show you the new Triumph and a little bit on Norman. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you again next week. Take care.